We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making delicious Southern Rutabagas, y'all. Yes. Okay, y'all, let's get to cooking. Okay, first thing we need to cut the peels off the rutabagas. These are kind of hard to take off, but you have a sharp enough knife, this will make it easy. Okay, I'm finished peeling up my rutabagas. Some people may not know what rutabagas are. They are a type of root vegetable, y'all, and they are so good. They sort of remind you of the bottoms of the turnip greens, the turnip bottoms, but to me they are better. I love rutabagas, and I'm going to show y'all how I prepare mine. Here I am cutting up my rutabagas. That you can cut them up smaller, larger, whatever. This is the way I prefer mine. And so I'm cutting them up into medium pieces, not real small, but medium pieces. And we're going to finish cutting these up, and then we're going to the next step. I'm showing you the meat that I'm using today to go in my rutabagas, but you can use bacon, smoked turkey meats, whatever type of meat you prefer, or you don't even have to use meat. You can just use butter. Okay, here I'm showing you how I cut up my salt pork. I'm just going to cut it in like strips. Here I'm cutting it into cubes. Like I said, you can use like turkey legs. Just cut the meat off. Turkey wings. You can use the whole wing. The smoked ones, and turkey tails, turkey necks, whatever you prefer. Okay, in my skillet, I have poured just a little, canola oil at the bottom, and I'm just frying up this salt pork, and to get it like nice and crispy. Afterwards, you can remove some of that oil. Whatever you prefer to do. Okay, I'm going to continue to fry up this salt pork, and I'm not going to be saying anything. I'm just going to show you how I do it, and then we're going to go on to our next step. Okay, as you can see, the salt pork is beginning to crisp up, and so I'm gonna just continue to fry this up until it becomes more crispier. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, our salt bacon is finished. Now we're pouring in our rutabagas. Make sure to cover them in water, and as they boil, the water is going to evaporate some. And so I put plenty of water in there, and they will cook down. Okay, we are cooking these on a medium high heat. And then as they begin to boil, that's the way I do mine. Sometimes I let them boil sort of rapidly at first, and then I turn them down because these going to take a while to cook and to get tender. What I'm waiting on now is for them to start boiling. Okay, now our rutabagas has begun to boil. What we're doing now is making sure as they boil that they are getting tender. These has only been cooking for maybe about 8 to 10 minutes, and so they are not near ready to get tender. So we're gonna let these continue to cook, and time to time, as you can see, I added a lid. Time to time, go and check on them to see if they're the texture that you want, and these still not, and they have been cooking for maybe about 25 minutes, and they still hadn't. So what we're going to continue to do is keep a check on them. Don't go far. Just keep a check on them and to see if they're the texture that you want them to be. And you want them to be tender, but not too, where they will fall to pieces. You don't want that. I'm going to show you later the texture that I like mine. Here we're checking them once more. What we're doing is I got a fork and I'm showing you that they are getting there. They are almost done. And so what I do is I would taste them first. I would taste them to see if they has enough salt or whatever in them, in which y'all see that I didn't put any in there. And there's some people that can't have the salt anyway. And so it all depends on how you want to do it. You just salt to taste, okay? I'm going to add a little salt at this time. Here I'm adding some salt. And if you want to, you can add black pepper. I'm not doing it this time, but sometime I do, put in black pepper. Y'all, I love rutabagas, and every time I make them, they remind me of my mom. She loved them, y'all. She loved them. And so I'm just showing you how I remember her making them. And here we're adding a little sugar, just a little bit. She would always add a little sugar to her beans and to some of her vegetables. Okay, we're going to let these continue to cook, and I'm going to cook them for maybe another 15 or 20 minutes, and then I'm going to test them again to make sure they are the texture that I want, because they hadn't got there quite yet. And so we're going to be back as soon as they get to the texture that I'm looking for. Okay? I'm going to serve these rutabagas along with some cornbread and turnip greens. Y'all, I didn't even want any meat. This is all I wanted for my meal. What would you serve with yours? Please comment below and let me know, okay? We're going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. Yes, they are ready. I just love these. I love rutabagas. And I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!